Welcome back to Bring On. From the home screen, tap Multiview to start a new project. This is your Multiview workspace, clean and ready to go. Open the library and load the shoe you want to expand. In moments, Multiview builds your shoe from every angle. Now open Multiview Edit to refine and restyle the design. Mark the area to edit, either auto-select it or trace by hand. Then choose a new material, pattern, or color for that part. Open the palette and pick a fresh color to restyle it. Hit apply, and your shoe takes on the brand new look. Next, open the 3D tool to generate a matching sole. Bring in the Multiview set you created just a moment ago. Then open My Last Data and choose your shoe last. Hit Generate, and your flat design becomes a full 3D sole. From design to 3D with Bring On. See you next time.